And now, what we all been waiting for, my unboxing. Well, it's not really unboxing because I've had it for like 2-3 weeks now. I've been wanting this bag for the longest, like as long as I can remember. But then like me, I want things and then I'll forget that I want it and then I'll never get it. I don't know, but I remembered. So anyway, I ordered it online. I was going to go to the New York store, but I didn't want to do all that. Who cares? So it came in this dust bag with all my receipts, return label, pocket, what's in here, exchanges and return information. I didn't even open this stuff. And thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with elusive, oh my god, I need help. Okay, with exclusive materials. Okay, to learn more about preserving your item, please access the website and please visit us again online or at the Louis Vuitton store. Some nice paper. So yeah, just got everything, proof of purchase basically. Oh, I got this note to myself. It says, you is smart, you is kind, you is important. Treat yourself, queen. Whatever you want, you deserve. And that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing now. That's my mindset now. Like, you want it, go get it. Or whatever Ariana Grande said. And it was wrapped in this. I'm so sorry, I'm so ghetto for having it unwrapped. And this came on it too. So, on to, it's a magnetic box. On to the main events. My actual bag. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. I got this from Amazon. It was like $13. And my little pochettes. And I got the red interior because like it's so badass, you know. I feel like the pink is cute. I would have gotten the regular monogram one, but like the leather right here is like I watched so many reviews trying to decide which one I wanted to get, and people said that they in the rain it can get messed up because this is cured leather and the other one isn't. And I was like, I'm not really about to be a stickler for rain, and I don't really carry umbrellas, so I'm gonna get the damier one. But yeah, this is it. Authentic, baby. I spent a pretty coin on it, and I bought everything before I even, is my ashy? I'm not ashy, but it's the light. I bought everything before I even had the bag. Like I ordered it on Amazon. Like when I ordered the bag, that took a while. I ordered it on a Thursday, I think, on like a Thursday night, Friday morning, like, you know, in the middle of the night. And then I got it on a Tuesday, and I ordered everything on Amazon that same night, and then I got that obviously the next day, Saturday. So I guess it was Friday, Saturday night. I got that. So I bought this organizer from Amazon. It just has everything that actually has everything that I need in it. And I also like to keep everything in here to avoid staining my bag. I don't think I'm ever gonna sell this bag, but if I did, I don't want it to be stained, and I like to keep my stuff new. Like, and this is my organizer. It has this smooth zip. Oh, I'm embarrassing myself. Smooth zipper as well. Everything. If you guys want a tour, I can obviously do that, but only if requested. Cause who cares? You know, who cares? We came for this. We came for this. So this like fits in it perfectly. So this is inside my bag like this. Let me change the angle. it. So pretty. And everything. This is inside of it. It's still standing up perfectly tall because it's new. And let me show you how I slide this right in. Slide in. And it fits perfectly. But yeah, people always show like you can cinch the sides, but I'm pretty sure you've seen a Louis Vuitton. If you're looking at this, you've seen this bag before. Like, you know how to cinch it. And I don't want to mess it up because people say that, well, not people say, but this leather does like crease up here. I do have some creasing, but I can't help that. But it's still standing, so you know it's like new, it's still good. But I'm trying to keep it like pristine, like perfect. Like, it literally fits everything I need. Like, before I used to be one of those like bag girls where I would have like a little bag. Like, I used to have the Michael Kors bag, and I just need a bigger bag. Like, I have this, I'm gonna use this to go out, but I'm not using it now. But I just need a bigger bag, you know? Like, I'm grown now, so I feel like this will grow with me, you know? And when I want to be really mature, I can take this off. But I feel like it'll grow with me. I'm so excited. I love it so much. I can't wait to actually use this. I haven't been out in a while. Like, I went out right before I got it, and I'm so mad because I could have worn this, you know. This would have went perfectly with my outfits, but one day it still smells new because I don't even use this. Yeah, I did want to get the wallet, but I'll see. Maybe somebody will get it for me for Christmas because I spent a lot of money on that. Oh, the organizer was like $23 or $24 in the size large. So yeah, so excited about it. Obviously, if you want the what's actually inside my bag, I can do that, but we're not gonna waste anyone's time if you don't want to see that. But the main focus was just to show off my bag. Like, honestly, it's so cute. And I did a red lip for it, and I love it. Thumbnail. Just a few options. But yeah, I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe if you want to see anything that I'm interested in doing. I'm one of those people that, like, I'm into a lot of things and I do whatever I feel at the moment. So I want my channel to reflect that. Whatever I'm into, whatever I'm doing, whatever challenge I'm trying to do, like, I'm gonna post it and stuff. So subscribe if you're interested, and thank you. Have a good night.